Hey guys, this is Mr. K and welcome to the next video for our digital art class. In this video, I'm going to show you guys even more cool stuff with Pixlr, but please pay attention because this video might be a little bit more difficult than what happened in the past. I really hope you guys pay attention to the past videos because in this, we're going to use the knowledge about copying and pasting images as well as erasing and using the clone stamp tool. Okay, so I hope you remember all this stuff from the past. If not, feel free to go back and watch some videos again, but please pay attention and follow my lead. Okay, so my goal in this video is to, well, basically put my face on top of something else. So I decided to put my face on the top of a potato. So it's pretty simple, but you got to pay attention to this. So I hope you guys have your Pixlr already open, and please follow my lead. So I already have my Pixlr open. I'm going to hit X to do this. And in Google, you guys can go type in whatever you guys want. But I've typed in potato, and I found a good big picture of a potato. Okay? So I'm going to click left, save image as. Save it as a potato. Don't complete it. Neato. Hit X and let's go back to Pixlr. Boink. Okay. To open pictures in Pixlr, if you guys remember, you go to File, Open Image, and hit Potato. Here it is. It's not as good picture of potato. Okay? So that's nice. That's okay. So now I need a picture of my face to put it on, right? So before I've put some pictures of myself on the computer so I can have something to choose from, okay? So same story. I'll open it now with File, Open Image, and over here I have Mr. K. Open. Beautiful picture. I look so dumb with a beard, but it's okay. So you guys can see now, you guys have two pictures that you can work with, okay? So now, big thing in your head, imagine this. Those are two different pictures. They're not connected. They're not on top of each other. They're two different things. Imagine like two different pieces of paper standing next to each other. They're not together. They're two separate pieces, okay? So I want to put my face on that potato. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that I've clicked on my picture because otherwise the last picture is going to be the one you're going to work with. So click on the picture of myself, So now I just want my face. I don't need all my body. I just need my face. So if you guys remember, I'm going to go to the marquee tool. Click that. I'm going to try to select my face. Perfect. Okay. So now what I want to do, I'm going to just take my face and put it on the other picture. What I'm going to do, I'm going to hit Edit, Copy. You see, it copied. Now, with my cursor, I go to the picture of a potato. Okay? I will hit now, Edit, Paste. And here's my face. Okay? So, right now, something's happened. Okay? Notice this. On the right side over here, it says layers, right? Layer 1 in the background. So all of a sudden, those layers, okay, imagine this, think about those layers as stickers on top of each other. Your background is your potato. That's your background, okay? And layer 1 is my face, this, okay? So there are two stickers. They're not stick together yet, so I can move it around, okay? So there's my face over here, very small picture. Okay, so what I can do is this. Remember, I can go to my marquee tool, Okay, and click that. So again, I need to resize that. So right click on the picture and hit free transform. You guys can see, like in the past, the picture of my face is all like surrounded by squares. So now I'm going to resize that. Yes, this is way better. Okay, and now I'll move it a little bit more on the potato. Okay, when it's done, when you think that it's okay, click somewhere else and hit yes. Okay, so now I did temporary, I don't have to keep it forever. I did put my face on a tomato. Okay, but Mr. K, is that over? No, this clearly is not done yet. We need to keep on working on this. So, what I want to do, I want to erase most of my face so I can see a potato. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my, where is it? My eraser tool. Click it. Okay, but Mr. K, it's so tiny. Yes, so you need to make your eraser a little bit bigger. So go to the brush over here. Okay, you guys can see, you guys can pick size over here. I go to the biggest one I can. Oh, it's still not big enough. So if those sizes over here are not big enough for your picture, and here you have the diameter. If I make it bigger, it changes bigger. So I'm gonna change my diameter to 500. Perfect. Okay, and click on your picture. When? So now, layers, right? Let's think about the layers again. So you guys can see, I am on top of, I've clicked, I am on my face layer, okay? So I'm gonna be doing editing only on that layer, okay? Nothing I'm gonna do is gonna happen to the layer of the background. What does it mean is this. If I decide to erase stuff, okay, the potato stays because it is behind my face, okay? So now I can erase stuff so it looks like my face is actually part of potato. It's a little bit laggy right now. So, okay. So slowly and steady, I'm erasing stuff. Okay. Making sure that only potato remains. Okay. So it's getting there. Okay. I think I'm gonna go all the way and just erase everything. Make sure that only my face remains. I'm gonna erase some hair so it looks like my face is part of a potato. Okay, so I want some more details now, right? So remember, I'm gonna zoom, you guys can zoom in on the picture. Okay, drag it here. Change the size of, I'm gonna change this. Yeah, be more precise. Okay, neato. Okay, so now I have this, okay? But I need to do something more with that. Okay, so I'm gonna do more. So I can spend more time, again, erasing this stuff, making sure that this only parts of my face are visible, okay? Nice. I don't like it. So remember, you can always hit Control Z to undo stuff. Okay? So now, let's play a little bit more. Let's zoom this stuff out. This looks wonderful, ain't it? Okay? Awesome. This looks beautiful, but I do need to edit this a little bit more so my skin tone looks more potato-y, right? So, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go to uh, filters, okay? And I have a whole bunch of stuff over here, okay? Same with adjustments, okay? I'm going to go to color balance, okay? And in here, I can go, and go and change the color of my face. So will that work? Nah. I can adjust this to make my face a little bit more interesting. Okay? So you guys can spend time adjusting your face as much as you guys want to. You know what? That's too bright. Okay, I'll hit OK. I go back to adjustments, go to brightness and contrast. Perfect. Okay? So remember, adjustments and filters are a really cool thing to play with. But now, I want to show you guys something else to make things a little bit more interesting. So, over here with layers, right? You guys can click toggle layer settings, okay? And now, you see opacity over here? Check this out. I'm going to be moving this left and right. And notice what's happening to my face on the potato. It slowly dissolves, right? So I can adjust this to make it look like I'm more of a potato than I am. Okay? Awesome. So, ta-da! I've put my face on the potato. That is great. Okay? So now, let me teach you guys how to actually save your work. Okay? So, if I want to save my work, okay, you guys work on Chromebooks. The beauty of this is you guys can access your work wherever you guys are. Okay? As long as you have Chromebooks or Chrome, right? So, if you want to save your work, go to File, Save. And here, like in anything else, you need to give yourself a name. And on the bottom, you have over here the quality. So I always choose to take the quality to the biggest, most best size. So move this to 100. Let Pixler work a little bit. You guys can see it says working. Okay. Okay, it's working. And now is okay. And now in here, this is your saving stuff. So you guys can do this since you're working on your Chromebooks. Remember that you have your Chrome, your Google accounts, your Google Drive. So to save it and access it whenever you guys want, go to Google Drive, My Drive. Okay? Name it any way you want it so you guys remember. In my situation, it's called Potato, right? And I save it. And that file is saved to your drive. It's in that cloud space, whatever. Okay? So it's saved and you can access it whatever you guys can access your Google Drive. But there's a big thing here, guys. If I'm going to quit now, if I'm going to close Pixler right now, I cannot access the layers anymore. So if I want to go and edit my potato face again, I will not be having access to both my background and my face. I'll have to start the process from the very beginning. Okay? So, if you want to save your work, make sure that you are really done in that part. Okay? That's a little big downside of a Pixlr, but remember, when you're saving and you're quitting, make sure that you're in a good spot to continue next time over. Okay? So that's this project, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this because this is probably going to be your final project to work with. Okay? If you have comments, questions, concerns, ask Mr. K. Remember, you can access all these videos and the past videos whenever you guys want to. And make sure that your face looks great. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.